share, subscribe.
And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, man. I don't know if I want to send the subwoofer just yet, man. My thing is, I think I'm about to go and take all this out. I'm about to take all this out, and I'm gonna put my back seat back in, and pray to God that my battery be able to fit behind the back seat. But before we get into that, y'all, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video, man. Like I told y'all, this is my everyday driver for now. Until I get Ghost back on the road, this is my daily driver, man. My daily driver. I need my back seats in my truck. So we're gonna be putting the 3/8s back in the truck. We're gonna be putting the seats back in the truck. And I pray to God that my AGM be able to fit behind my back seat. If not, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do as far as battery go. But I'm gonna make it happen though. The battery gonna be in on 3/8s, and I'm gonna turn the amp back down. With that being said, man, you know, I waited till late in the evening to upload this video because it was super duper hot, and I ain't feel like coming out here sweating trying to do this. Y'all see my dog? Y'all see her? She even broke all the chain and coming back now. I'm about to go and put her back on, man. So y'all give me 1 second, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as y'all can see, she's back on the chain. Had to give some water. She been running around for like last 2-3 hours. It's hot out here. Had to give some water. But with that being said, I'm about to go and get these seats and slide the 3/8s back in there and see what they sound like on the battery. That's pretty much what the video gonna be about. Let's see, can we wake those 3/8s up with the AGM battery on them, man. We gonna go and get these seats before it get dark on us because, like I said, it's a tedious process. As y'all can see, I got black tape right there. I'm gonna hook that, which should be plenty of while to get to that 3/8 box. So I'm gonna hook that, and then we're gonna start sliding that box out, and we're gonna put the box in storage, and we're gonna go from there, man. Damn, I dropped y'all, man. Shit, my bad. But as y'all can see, the box is out the truck. We're gonna put the box in storage, and we're gonna go and get the seats, and we're gonna proceed to hooking those back up, man. After that, we're gonna slide the 3/8 box up under that joker, hook that back up, see if it's any kind of way. I'm gonna see if it's any kind of way I can get this battery to sit flush to this back wall. That way, I'll be able to still run my seats, and I still be able to have a battery on my amp, you know. And that battery, that battery really should wake those 3/8s up, man. Pray to God I don't blow them. I'm gonna turn the amp all the way down, and in like the next couple weeks, I got a surprise for y'all. Cause as y'all know, I got 4/8s, but I'm only running 3 at this time. Keep that in mind. I got 4/8s, but I'm only running 3 at this moment. So I got a surprise for y'all coming up, man. Alright, as y'all can see, we got one seat in. The bench is gonna be a mother, man. I already know it. The bench gonna be here to deal with, but I'm ready for it. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting the nuts back on the seat. I'm gonna bolt everything down, and we're gonna get over to the bench, and we're gonna put the bench in, man. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Pouring sweat, man. Very tedious. So when I get the bench set in here, it's some small screws that go on this part and to the bench. We connect them together. I'm gonna start y'all out with that. I'm gonna take y'all the hard work and we're gonna get from there, man. If y'all made it this far in the video, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and smash that damn notification bell, man. Y'all see me out here, man? Y'all see me, man? I'm out here grinding, man, bringing y'all content, baby. Let's get it, man. This your boy Base at it, man. Let's make this shit happen, y'all. Okay, guys, so as y'all can see, I got the single bitch is in there. I ain't going nowhere, but I'm trying to figure out how the hell I'm gonna run my battery, man. That is the question at this point. I had to take my shirt off, y'all. I'm sweating like hell. But I'm trying to figure out where in the world I am gonna run my battery, y'all. I may have to sit the battery straight up like this right here. You know what I'm saying? I got to find some more 0 gauge so I can connect my other ground to the amp. If I can sit the battery straight up like this right here behind the seat, that would be perfect. I know the battery ain't light. The battery ain't light at all, y'all. But I'm gonna wrestle with it. Only thing I gotta do now is put the bench in. Well, I'm gonna see how I can get the battery first, and then I'm gonna throw the bench in, bolt that down. Bolt the seatbelt mount back down, as y'all can see. It's the seatbelt mount. I'm gonna bolt that back down and tighten everything up, and then we're gonna slide the 3/8 in here, put some more bolts in the 3/8, and we're gonna put some power on them, man. So I'm in the process of putting that back in, man. As y'all can see, I'm sweating like a slave in here, man. But work got to be done, man. And you know what I'm saying? I'm taking the time out to bring y'all content too, so. That just go to show y'all my dedication to this shit, man. For real, for real. But if y'all made it this far, make sure you smash that button, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Leave a like on the video for sure. And it helped grow this family, y'all. Y'all help grow this family. I appreciate all the love and support y'all been giving me so far, y'all. Like, literally, y'all don't understand. I really, really, really appreciate that, man. Because y'all motivate me to get out here and be sweating like this, making this type of stuff happen, man. So, with that being said, let's figure this battery thing out. And I'm gonna put the other bench in. We're gonna slide the box in, and we're gonna get the 3/8 back playing here, y'all. All right, guys. So we got the battery in a pretty decent place. It ain't going nowhere. Is it the best? No, but it ain't going nowhere. No, it's not touching that. Really not touching nothing back here. And they really gonna be holding that back seat up. Hopefully, when I put that bench in, everything goes as planned. If it does, I will put the ground wire back up to the amp. That way, you know, we'll have more power. And that'll be pretty much it besides sliding that 3/8 box in, y'all. Okay, guys, checking back in, man. Quick update on the progress that I have made, man. Hold up, let me flip the camera around. Hold on. Okay, so as y'all can see, the seats are back in. Now, being that my battery's in that position, my wires are a little short. So what I am gonna do, I'm gonna extend the wires. I'm gonna extend those wires, you know what I'm saying? And when I extend the wires, we're gonna hook the amp back up, slide the 4/8 box back in the truck. We're gonna put some more screws in the 4/8s because I actually bought some bolts out of the speakers themselves to put in the 15, the U for the 15. So we're gonna take some more screws back out of the some more bolts out of the 15. We're gonna put them in the 3/8, and then we're gonna slide the box up under the seat, let the seats down, hook the seats to the back of the truck, and they're gonna be pretty much it. Then we're gonna turn it on, see can we get a demo, see if that battery make a difference on the 3/8. You know what I'm saying? I know the battery make a difference on the 215, but I'm just trying to see if it's gonna make a difference on the 3/8. Are they gonna get deeper? Are they gonna get louder? Are they gonna be more punchier? I don't know. We're gonna figure out. And I am gonna turn that amp down because I'm not trying to blow my 8s. Like I said, I'm running 3 at this point, but I got 4 of them, so I don't want to blow them before I'm able to see what it sounds like with all 4 of them under the seat. You know what I'm saying? That's basically as much as I'm gonna do with this truck, man. 4/8s under the seat, cause like I said, it is my everyday driver. But as y'all can see, the seats are back in. They all bolted down, everything tightened down. Now what I'm doing is working on my wiring, to extend the wiring for my amp, because I am, excuse me y'all, because I am running the battery right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get to trying to extend that wire for my battery, and we're gonna go from there. It's hard wrestling with those seats, trying to get bolts and stuff lined up when you solo, man. It's very tedious, and as y'all can see, my shirt hanging off me. I've been out here working like a slave, man. But it's been at least an hour and a half, 2 hours since I started, and now I got the back seats back in. If I wasn't trying to hook my speakers back up, the truck would be good to go. But as y'all know, I am a bass addict. That's the name of the channel. So I can't ride without no type of noise in the back behind me, man. You know. So I gotta hook my subs up. So that's what I'm working on now, hooking the subs back up, y'all. Let's get it. Okay guys, checking back in. Quick update, man. I know this video might be a little long, but like I said, it's a process, y'all. But as y'all can see, the seats are in, and the amp is on, and the battery is back there.